Springtime is here, and so is Bambi eating your garden and your ornamental flowers. I want to show you what I use. It's an Orbit motion activated sprinkler. We used these for 10 years and they work really well. Trivia question: what kind of deer is pictured at the beginning of the video? Stick around and I'll tell you what kind if you don't know. I've used these sprinklers for about 10 years and they work really well. I'm not being endorsed or paid by Orbit. I'm just a satisfied customer. I've used them for the garden. They worked good. I use them for the ornamental plants. This also provides some comic relief when our neighbors or other people come to visit, as I get to hear them scream when they get shot with a sprinkler. All right, so let's talk about the settings on it. It has quite a few. So of course you have different functions: day, night, always, where it'll function. Doesn't matter the time of day. You can adjust the duration of the spray and also the range of the spray. This screw right here allows you to adjust the angle in which the sensor here is pointing. That's adjustable. Like many sprinklers of this type, the sprinkler head spray fan can be adjusted with these spring clips right here. This is the battery compartment that slides inside. It takes 4 AA batteries. In order to put the batteries in, it slides in the back right there, and then you attach the cable here. And at that point, it's good to go. About the device itself, over the years, I've had bits and pieces that have gone bad or just kind of worn out, and you can buy the pieces and parts to fix it. And I like that because I have had to do that a few times. You need a section of hose that you're going to hook to it. If you're going to use your faucet for other applications, just to save from disconnecting and connecting the hose, I use a splitter that I'll put this on today. The sprinkler, because it does have a spike on the bottom, you can sink it into the ground pretty good. What I've noticed with the pressure I have here at the house, it does tend to shift back when it goes off. So what I'll do is I put an iron stake. I'll put a piece of foam rubber around it, and then I'll use a zip tie to connect the two together. That makes this a bit more stable. It's not needed. It provides a little bit more stability. These are the tasty morsels I am trying to protect. So that was one down, one to go. I got sprayed a few times, but that's no big deal. It's starting to get warm and it feels pretty good. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any comments about this or anything else, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay safe, take care, and God bless.